Welcome again to Taurus, where we broadcast short technical videos regarding constructions. We have completed 3 videos on structural audits, and today, in our final video in the series, we will see about structural repairs. We request you to see our earlier 3 videos in the series, link for which is shared in the description. Structural repairs are required due to failure of existing structure or some part of it due to any reason like excessive load, faulty construction material, etc. Hence, any new material which we use for structural repairs must be stronger than the existing materials of construction. In this video, we will be focusing upon repairs of RCC structures. Any part of structure where repair is required must be opened and all loose material in it shall be removed. This area shall be thoroughly washed with water. The diameter of existing reinforcement is checked, and if it has become less than 1/3 of existing reinforcement, new reinforcement bar is welded to the existing one. After this, anti-rust chemicals of any good manufacturer are applied on it. This whole procedure completes the surface preparation for repairs. Generally, two materials are prepared for structural repairs: polymer modified mortar or microconcrete. Microconcrete is most cost effective for improving high early compressive strength, tensile and flexural strength and reducing the brittle nature, while polymer modified mortar is useful for waterproofing and patch repair of minor cracks of the structure. Microconcrete is available in powder forms in ready to use packets. We have to use this powder with proportion of water as mentioned by manufacturer. The resultant paste is applied on the repair surface, which is prepared as per methodology mentioned earlier. While its application, one must be careful that paste goes in all nooks and corners of the surfaces. Microconcrete is high early strength concrete, where there is no need for compaction. Means this concrete gains strength very quickly, even in a day depending on manufacturer, and there is no need for compaction like that of wet concrete. Mortar is a mix of cement, sand and water. This is used for plastering works and also for joints in masonry work like brickwork. Polymer modified mortar means mortar being modified by use of some polymer compounds. These compounds give high strength to mortar, making it even stronger than the parent concrete of the material to be repaired. In case of polymer mortar or PMM, first cement and then water is mixed in proportions as directed by engineer or the manufacturer. The resulting paste is applied similar to that of microconcrete. Care shall be taken that paste reaches every corner and covers the entire area. We recommend to preferably use microconcrete for all major structural repair works, while polymer modified mortar or PMM can be used for patchworks or waterproofing or for minor structural cracks, etc. We have completed our series on structural audits. We recommend to use all videos as a guideline and always consult a competent civil and structural engineer for all your construction needs. Thank you for watching.